Unveiling the future, SpaceX and space-based hypersonic missile trackers. In recent times, SpaceX has turned science fiction into reality. Their latest endeavor? Space-based hypersonic missile trackers. This technology is revolutionizing the defense industry. The trackers instantly detect and follow hypersonic missile threats, ensuring the safety of our world. SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket, a trailblazer in reliability, plays a crucial role. It deploys these innovative trackers into orbit with unparalleled precision. These trackers are not just about defense. They also contribute to scientific research, providing data on hypersonic physics and aerodynamics. SpaceX continues to redefine the boundaries of space exploration and security. Their work stands testament to the boundless possibilities of human innovation. In conclusion, SpaceX's role in developing space-based hypersonic missile trackers is pioneering a new era of global security and scientific discovery.